Okay, today we're going to make a video to clamp our iPhone 11 Pro frame because some of my customers said they have problem with iPhone 11 Pro frame clamp. Okay, here we go. This orange clamping mode is our Sameking mode, and this one is iPhone 11 Pro frame. We put it inside our mode. And this is the automatic glue machine, dispenser machine. Here we're going to dispense the glue on the frame. Make sure the frame is put well inside the mold, and make sure the glue is put well everywhere on the frame. This is iPhone 11 Pro screen. Please make sure this flex is inside the screen. When you put the screen inside, please make sure the flex is inside screen and insert it to the front part. When you put it well, please press the screen to make sure it connects with the frame well. Press it hard to make sure the screen is connected well with the frame. And these are the magnets. It will sect very well with the another frame. Put it like this, then it clamped well. Okay, now we're going to check the result. You can open the clamp frame mode after 1 hour, but it will be great if you clamp it after 20 hours. Let's check the result. We already clamped it for 1 night. There are some glues on the frame. We're going to clean it. It seems that the frame is clamped very well. Touched great with the screen. It connects very well. Very perfect result. Okay, thank you for watching.